Alright, so what do you know about cryotherapy?
That it's fairly cold.
Hello guys, it's Charles and I'm here with Luke.
Hey.
Alright, so on the way to cryotherapy.
Now we're starting to get this!
I'm a cryotechnician in cryo healthcare.
One cryotherapy session, what is that equivalent to?
Can reach those temperatures of minus 240 Fahrenheit. Person will go in that machine between 2 and 3 minutes. It will reduce mainly inflammation, not only in joints but also in muscles. So that's a huge athlete purpose. You're sore from working out, if you run down, your joints kind of have pressure and hurt and swells. It will get it down right away in the first couple of treatments. It burns a lot of calories too. So weight loss management is a huge point. Imagine how hard your body has to work and burn energy to stay warm in minus 240 Fahrenheit. So it burns between statistically 600 to 800 calories every time. Beauty aspects, it boosts collagen production. People that had trouble sleeping, light sleep, wake up at the night, they have a really deep and potent sleep. More information is on our website, cryotherapy.com.
First time I took Luke here, what is your experience?
Really nice. I've done like the full body but not full chamber, I guess. So that was my first time breathing it in and being completely surrounded by it.
How do you feel? Like, do you feel the difference? Like, my body feels good right now.
Yeah, I feel a little bit just more relaxed and refreshed.
Yeah, it's kind of like a good pick-me-up, like you wake up, like you feel good. Subscribe, leave a comment below. Have you tried cryotherapy?
What do you want to see us do?
What do you want to see us do? Follow Luke, I'll leave his links below. Talk to you guys soon, bye, cheers.